latest, we have breaking updates coming in as well. Actor turned politician Vijay has now spoken up. A detailed statement being issued by him. Remember, initially when he was spoken to at the airport, no word from Vijay, after which he took to social media to say that he was shattered by the details of the incident. Now, a detailed statement has been issued, and my colleague Amita is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Amita, take us through the details of what Vijay has said.
Yes, Pratibha, this seems to be another statement that has been issued on part of TVK's Vijay. First statement that came in from this official handle, that was 3 hours after the stampede, and this is almost 15 hours later that we are looking at when this comes to the statement that has been issued, and it has been translated from Tamil. It goes on to say that greetings to all those who reside in my heart. In a way that defies imagination, thinking about what happened in Karur yesterday, my heart and mind are overwhelmed with profound heaviness. In the midst of this immense grief of losing our loved ones, I am at a loss for words to express the pain in my heart endures. My eyes and mind are clouded with sorrow. The faces of all of you have kept meeting flashes through my mind, and the more I think of my loved ones who show affection and care, the more my heart slips further from its place. My dear ones, well, I express my deepest condolences with the indescribable pain to you who are grieving the loss for our cherished loved ones. I also stand close to your heart, sharing this immense sorrow. There is indeed irreparable loss for us, no matter who offers the words of comfort. The loss of our loved ones is unbearable. Yet, as a member of your family, I intend to provide 20 lakh rupees. So he's offering compensation here to each family that has lost a loved one, and 2 lakh rupees to those who have been injured and are receiving treatment. This amount is of course not significant in the face of such a loss. Still, at this moment, it is my duty as one who belongs to your family to stand by you, my dear ones, with a heavy heart. Likewise, I pray to God that all our loved ones and who are injured and undergoing treatment recover swiftly and return home. I also assure you that the TVK would steadfastly provide all necessary support to our loved ones under treatment. So basically, Pratibha, there is still no mention of this stampede accountability here, but this is on the same lines as he had issued his first statement describing, he's in a lot of pain and this is an unbearable loss. But the addition that has
say that he is shattered, he has gone on to say that he is also providing compensation to the victims and the family members, but no mention of any political blame game or not apologizing for what happened, not saying that the administration is responsible for it. No such mention being made at all. Amita, thank you for joining us with all those details.